How to earn. What to buy to get 500% profit? No. 1000% profit? No. 10,000% profit. Such coins exist in the market, and we have all seen examples of them. Solana reached its peak value of 39,300% profit when purchased from the market. Today, I will tell you about a coin that in my opinion will give hundreds of percent profit, and nothing can stop it. I emphasize again, this is my opinion.
That's my opinion!
I'm Den. Don't forget to subscribe to get useful information. Let's go. If someone tells you that they know for sure which token will show astronomical growth, they are a scammer and are trying to pull you into a pyramid scheme. I am confident that regulation will come very soon and will start to squeeze the entire market. As often happens, a bunch of problems will arise and we will get several loud scandals and scams. But against this background, the market will plummet. Everyone will scream that crypto has burst. It's all a scam.
Cryptocurrency is a bubble. Cryptocurrency is a bubble.
And you need to take at least part of your investments. Panic sales will occur and prices will plummet. After some time, only a few coins will emerge from this swamp and soar into space. I believe that one of them will be the coin that I hold in my portfolio and constantly buy more of. When the market crashes, I will buy even more of it.
Shut up and take my money!
The thing is, this coin cannot be accused of anything. No staking, burning supply, airdrops, or selling coins to nade users. In other words, no public rounds. In addition to all of this coin can be farmed using hard drives, which is not against the eco-trend. Even Bitcoin is subject to pressure from environmental defenders for consuming electricity like Argentina.
We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth. How dare you!
The coin of the Chia Network Project, XCH, is my gem that will fly and drag my portfolio like a locomotive pulls carriages. Limited total supply, 27.6 million coins. Complete immunity from the regulator. Eco-friendly mining. A powerful way to pump the price. We will dedicate a separate video to this. See you there.